Okay, so this is a 2007 Toyota Corolla, and the maintenance light stays on despite doing the required maintenance, that is oil and oil filter, engine oil and engine oil filter has been changed, but the maintenance light stays on. Okay, so to get rid of that, to turn off the maintenance required light, first step is to take this odometer. You can see this is the odometer button, and you can see the odometer, trip A, trip B odometer. Okay, so first is to take it to the odometer, the actual odometer. You can see the odometer on this car. The odometer reading on this car, 165,000 miles. Okay, so the next step, I'll turn off the ignition off. And I need my two hands now. So with one hand I'll press and hold the odometer button. While pressing and holding, I'll turn the ignition to the on position. I'm still pressing and holding, and then you see the maintenance required indicator goes off. So you can see now it has gone off. Turn it off again, turn off the ignition, on. Now it's on, it blinks, and then it goes off. Okay, so that's how to turn off the maintenance required light on a 2007 Toyota Corolla. Same process for 2003, 2004, 2005, 2006, 2007, and 2008 Toyota Corollas. Thank you.